Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on Salman Surfs, and today it's going to be a very interesting and experimental video which we have never done on YouTube long format, so that's what we are going to do. And for that we have different set of core materials that we use in kitchen or wardrobes in interiors, and we are going to test this water resistant properties. So are you guys curious? I'm curious too how this test is going to turn out, so let's go ahead. When it comes to core kitchen materials, there are different types of plywood boards that you can use for your cabinets. The main focus for a modular kitchen is their cabinet and its storage that we use on a day-to-day basis. Kitchens are prone to a lot of moisture buildup, so water resistant is a key factor that we should consider while choosing the right core material. And with that said, there are a lot of materials that are available in the market like BWP, MR, MDF, HDHMR and much more. And these materials are usually graded based on their moisture resistance and durability so that you can choose the right grade for your space. But instead of just choosing blindly, I thought I would conduct an experiment with each board and how it reacts to water so that you can make an informed decision. First, let me tell you the materials I chose for this experiment and little bit of their features. So for this experiment, I have a sample BWP board, I have Indo Wood, I have HDHMR, I have MDF, and we have MR Plywood. So with these 5 materials, I am going to conduct an experiment so that we would know how each material is going to react with water. Starting with the MDF boards, these are regular plywood boards that you see on cabinets, wardrobes, furniture, and this is also known as medium density board. So these material are made of different layers of wood and resin, making it sturdy. This material doesn't deform with age and can block sound, but it isn't a very good load bearing capacity for this MDF, and it is really prone to moisture content. So we will see how this material has reacted to our experiment shortly. Next up, we have MR plywood, which is specifically designed to resist moisture and humidity, but it isn't waterproof. MR is ideal for furniture, ceilings, panelings and partition, but this can't be used in water exposed areas like bathrooms or outdoor areas. So let us see how MR material, even though it is moisture resistant, reacts to our experiment which we have conducted shortly. Next up, we have high density, high moisture resistant material, which is also known as HDHMR, and this is a highly durable engineered product. It's often used in many applications that requires more strength and moisture resistance, particularly in interiors and furniture industry. It offers excellent moisture resistance, better than MR plywood, so it's ideal for areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and this is also termite proof. Since this has high resistance to water, let us wait and watch how this has performed when it compared with MR or MDF. Next up, we have Indo Wood. It is a new and innovative engineered wood product which is an alternative to our traditional plywoods. Though this is a little bit expensive than our traditional wooden boards, it also has some screw holding issues which they have rectified with the density of boards they have come up with. And this material is sustainable, eco-friendly, durable, and much better than in terms of waterproofing and termite proof. This material is actually made from agricultural husk and wood composites, and this is also a material that it's really flexible. You can use it for different purposes like your ceiling, your furniture, your kitchen cabinets or your wardrobes. So let us see how this material is going to withstand the water test which we have conducted shortly. Lastly, we have BWP Plywood, which is boiling waterproof, one of the highest grades of plywood which is available in the market, and this is a go-to material for a lot of architects and interior designers for their kitchens, water-prone areas, your bathrooms, and much more. This material has superior water resistant property and durability, and also one of the standout features of BWP plywood is that it can withstand 72 hours of boiling water without any problem. This plywood is also used in many of marine applications like boat building, outdoor fencing, and a lot of outdoor exposed furnitures. and let us see how each of these materials has reacted to our experiment. So what is our experiment? Just like the countertop video, we decided to do a live testing of all these core materials' water resistant properties. For that, we have immersed all these 5 different plywood boards in water for 30 days.
Over 1 month later.
Like me, you don't have to wait for 30 days for to see how this material has reacted to the experiment. So all of these bottle looks like an experiment in a chemical lab, but this is how So this is how it looks after 30 days, after the water and the material has been there for more than so many hours. And this is MR plywood. It has good moisture resistance, so it has only slightly bulged after 30 days in water. Even at 10 tone and shade, we use this in most of our project because it really withstands moisture for a very long periods. So we are moving ahead to MDF. So MDF is completely, I think, so the entire sturdiness has gone. It has also bulged, like because of being in water for a very long time, and it smells really awful. And also the materials deterioration has been like easy to notice here. It is getting peeled off, like because of a lot of hours this has been inside the water, so it's typically gets damaged very easily. And now we are moving ahead to HDHMR, one of the strongest engineered plywood. So this looks sturdy, and I don't think it's getting peeled off or something compared to MDF. So it's actually the same. It has no problem at all. Yeah, so this material is really, had been here for more than 30 days, but still looks like how we have, put the sample inside. It's strong, and it has no bulging or damages, unlike MDF. Next up, we have Indo Wood. Since this is a sustainable material, it stays like how we have put it inside. Even the watercolor discoloration is also not seen in this sample bottle which we have placed the Indowud. You can see it looks like same like how we have put this before 30 days. It has no bulging or no peeling off of any surface, and yes, it's expensive, and they are improving the screw holding capacity. Other than that, one of the best feature of this material is like it has a lifetime warranty, and whenever you are renovating your space and you are tearing it apart, you can get all the broken pieces of this wood, take it back to your dealer, and you get new boards, whatever the refund you could get. So it is actually a recyclable material. So yeah. And finally, BWP, which we are using in all of our 10 tone and shade projects, where there is water prone areas, mostly in kitchens and bathrooms. And this looks the same. This also has no discoloration, and you can see it has withstood more than 72 hours basically, and there is no issues. It's really strong. All the layers are intact, and yes, and you can see the durability of this material here. And successfully we have conducted the experiment for the most used poor materials in the industry. It's true that your kitchen won't be submerged in water for 30 days, but now you have got to know the water resistant property of all these materials, so that you can make an informed decision rather than just browsing through online or searching for advantages and disadvantages of these materials. So I have conducted this live experiment not just for you, for me as well, to see how each material has reacted to water and how we can use it in our interiors or water prone areas. So I hope this video was informative and useful, where a lot of you people will be able to decide on which of these core materials you will be using for your interiors. And you can also comment below which is your go-to material for your interior applications. And with that, if you want to know more about interiors, material, design, hacks and much more, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making a lot of such content related to interior design industry. And I will see you all in the next informative video. Bye bye.